So you're on a roll when it comes to social media. You've set up your business pages, formulated a strategy and have planned out a month's worth of content ready to be scheduled. But there's one annoying little problem. You go to make your first post on Facebook, which consists of a photo because imagery gives a post more reach, a great on-brand caption and a link to an article you know your followers would be interested in. The problem is that link goes on and on and on, and includes a whole lot of code-like language that makes the post look ugly and unprofessional. What do? Well, you're not the first person to encounter this problem, and thankfully someone has done something about it. Bitly is a URL management site that allows you to create your own URL that is aligned with your brand and the message at hand. It can turn pointless URLs like this one into pretty ones like this one, or call to action oriented ones like this. It gives you URLs that make your followers want to click through. In fact, a Bitly study shows that these shortened branded URLs get 34% more clicks than their unbranded counterparts. The best thing about it is that Bitly offers a free tool that allows you to shorten URLs for free in under a minute. Simply head to bit.ly.com and copy and paste the link you want to shorten into the bar at the top of the page. Click shorten and then you have it, a much prettier version of the first link that leads to exactly the same place. You can then click copy and post this link wherever needed online. Bitly also offers a paid option that allows you to customise the URL however you like, which is a great option if you'd like to be more on brand or encourage click-throughs using words like join now or get offer. If that's not feasible for you at the moment, however, using their free shortener to condense long URLs down is a great place to start. Bitly, add it to the toolbox.